Hey everyone, today we are going to start our experiment number 4. So, our experiment 4 is implementation of sentiment analysis, where we're using a BERT model to determine the sentiment of the given test data. Means how to process and understanding the emotional tone begin each words, like feedbacks, post, and social media reviews. From that out the where content of the data is positive or negative, like that we are getting it by using Python program language and then transformer libraries like Hugging Face, and then we are using library PyTorch and TensorFlow. So now let's go to the experiment code. Okay, so this is the experiment code. First, we have to pip install transformer touch. So I ran it now. So after installing everything, as you see here, recommend audio transfer means I already ran it before, so it's already installed. When you guys install first time, it will take time to load all the libraries. And second, you're taking that install file, we use transformer task to install, right? So from transformers we are importing bent tokenizer and bent for sequence classification and pipeline. So from TextBlob we are using TextBlob, and we are using bent tokenizer to and it has a pre-trained model, and this is the model name, and we are taking it into a tokenizer, and we're using the for sequential classification another model, that means a data set already trained, taking that also from bent for sequence classifier and say assigned to model. So there are two data sets, tokenization and then model, which we taken for already trained models. And then we are creating a variable segment analysis where we're using pipeline, and this pipeline will take model and tokenizer as both, and we're running the program, and it will save the sentiment analysis what are outcomes. So we are having that pre-trained models, so it will be using arcing phase. So after everything is being trained and then happen, which will be running in our computer memory. That's why it says device set to use CPU. Then we're giving some functions. So analyze advancement and test block to analyze how polarity of the test. And then if it is 3 means it is neutral. So we are giving that input. I love new features of this chatbot. So here we are using bend result. So here I have to check everything has done. Then only I have to run this command. So bend set. So bend result is islands adjustment bend, which we are using to test here says. And test plot result variable is analyze the sentiment test plot test, and we're printing it. So we're getting the label. It was 5-star, and it's giving a score 0.8. For test blocks, it gave positive, and it gave only 0.335. Why? Because there was nothing that much content was there in the test. Here and when it reached the expression tone of it, so we get highest mark. Now we're getting the values in sentence. So for here, we are giving the condition by using if and else. As we got 5 stars, on the above code, we got the overall sentiment analysis is very positive. So, what is the solution is? So, let me tell about the problem statement. So, this is used to for check the feedback of the users. Are they giving a good rating or bad rating? So, from this analysis from that we got from this experiment, can check how good that feedback it is.